Redmi 9 Prime, no service solutions. Let's come and do together. I am already disassembled the phone. You can carefully disassemble the phone. We are going to change 2G IC and 4G IC. Heat gently at 330 degrees Celsius. I have removed the faulty IC. And I am making sure that surface is clear for replacement of new IC. I have one whole board. I am replacing this from this board. You can buy new IC with IC codes. Now I am replacing IC from old board to our board. Make sure the correct direction of the IC. One IC is placed and going for another one. Turn back the board and remove the 4G IC also, and before that we want to remove the shield first. We want to remove the old board shield too. Remove the shield carefully because inside component can damage. See this, we are going to replace this IC. This is 4G IC of the Redmi 9 Prime. We are going to remove the shield from old board and taking the IC carefully to replace for our board. Now I will remove this IC and replace with this IC from old board. I have take off the IC from our board and won't displace the nearest components. Now finally I am going to replace this IC from here to there. I am taken off this IC also and placing to our board. Now I have changed the both ICs. I am checking that completely is that soldered to board properly. I am fine tuning the IC placement. Now completed and placed properly. Let it cool down for normal temperature. Now taking this one and that one, I have changed this both IC from old board. If you don't have old board, you can order the IC from the code of the ICs. No assembling back the phone. Something is missing. I think I have to clean the surface of the ICs I have placed because of the flux. I have seen some shots of connection. I am removing that from the iron. Finally, I am assembling back the phone. And I am turning on the phone. It is taking too much time. Is this any problem in the board? Oh, I think I am going to press this hardly. Oh, okay, turn it on. Phone is on now. We want to check the network. Is that coming or not? I think network is came. Okay, done. It has done. And it's finally worked for me. What happened to you? Comment on the box. Thank you for watching. Bye bye until the next video.